Are you ready to take control of your financial future but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to confidently invest in the stock market for the first time. No jargon, no fluff, just a simple, step-by-step guide to help you build wealth and achieve your goals. Let's dive in.
Investing in the stock market might sound intimidating, but the truth is, anyone can do it with the right knowledge and mindset. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, retire comfortably, or build a financial safety net, the stock market can be a powerful tool. And today, I'm going to give you a beginner-friendly, full guide to help you get started. No prior experience needed. Why should you invest? Investing helps your money grow faster than saving in a bank account. Compound interest is your best friend. It's like earning interest on your interest. Historical data shows the stock market grows over time despite short-term ups and downs. Think of the stock market as a tool to make your money work for you. Instead of letting inflation eat away at your savings, investing allows you to grow your wealth passively. Plus, the sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow through compound interest. Understanding the basics: stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. Index funds and ETFs, diversify your investments to minimize risk. Risk vs reward, understand your risk tolerance. Let's break it down. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a share of a company. If the company grows, so does your investment. For beginners, index funds and ETFs are great options. They spread your money across many companies, reducing the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. And remember, every investment carries some level of risk, but higher risk can mean higher potential rewards. Setting up your investment account. Choose a brokerage platform that's beginner-friendly: Robinhood, E-Trade, Vanguard, etc. Understand the difference between taxable accounts and retirement accounts, like IRAs. Automate your investing for consistency. First, pick a brokerage. Many online platforms now offer zero-commission trading and user-friendly apps. Decide if you want a regular account or a retirement account like an IRA, which can come with tax benefits. Finally, set up automatic contributions to invest regularly without overthinking it. Developing a strategy: decide your goals: long-term wealth or short-term gains. Start with a small amount, invest what you can afford to lose. Follow the 80-20 rule: 80% in low-risk investments, 20% in higher-risk ones. Ask yourself, what are my goals? If you're saving for retirement, think long-term and focus on stable investments like index funds. If you want quicker returns, you might explore individual stocks, but start small. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint.
Mistakes to avoid: don't try to time the market. Avoid emotional decisions based on market news. Diversify your investments to minimize risk.
One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to time the market. Buying low and selling high is easier said than done. Instead, focus on consistency and diversification. And whatever you do, don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Tools and resources for beginners. Free apps for stock tracking and news: Yahoo Finance, Morningstar. Books like The Intelligent Investor or A Random Walk Down Wall Street. YouTube channels and podcasts for ongoing education. There are tons of free resources to help you learn and grow as an investor. Use apps to stay informed, read beginner-friendly books, and follow trusted finance experts on YouTube or podcasts. Investing in the stock market isn't reserved for experts, it's for anyone who's ready to take the first step. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every great investor was once a beginner. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their investing journey. See you in the next video.